Hello friends, in this video we will learn all about the expansion of an idea in detail. First, we will understand what the expansion of an idea is. Then we will look into its format and finally we will comprehend it with an example. Please watch the video till the end and you will become proficient in the expansion of an idea. So without further ado, let's get started. What is an expansion of an idea? If an idea is given to us, then the process of elaborating and explaining a given idea in more detail is called expansion of an idea. It involves taking a basic or simple idea and exploring it further by adding more details, examples, explanations, and viewpoints concisely. The idea could be a proverb like where there is a will, there is a way, which means determination can overcome any obstacles or challenges. A slogan like give me blood and I will give you freedom, implying that Subhash Chandra Bose promises to lead people to freedom if they are willing to sacrifice themselves for their country. A quotation like be the change that you want to see in the world, advising us to be the role models and set examples for others to follow. Or an idiom like let the cat out of the bag, indicating accidentally or intentionally revealing the secret or confidential information that was meant to be kept hidden. So these are the ways in which we can be given an idea. Now, why we should learn the art of expansion of an idea? There are three main advantages of learning how to expand an idea. Number one, enhanced communication. Knowing how to expand and elaborate an idea allows us to communicate more effectively. Number two, critical thinking. The process of expanding ideas requires you to think critically and analyze concepts from different angles. And number three, express creativity. The expansion of ideas gives you the freedom to express your creativity. Now, let's learn the format of expansion of an idea. The expansion of an idea is divided into two parts. Number one, title, and number two, main content. The title is the main idea given to you in form of a quote, proverb or idiom, and it is written at the center of the page. The main content is further divided into three sections. Number one, introduction, number two, body, and number three, conclusion. The introduction involves a topic sentence with a short introduction. A topic sentence expresses the main idea or central theme of the piece of writing. The main idea is explained in detail in the body. Here we can add experiences, examples, incidents, and current events, and use discourse markers to make our writing more interactive. Discourse markers are words or phrases used to guide the flow of conversation, provide relationships between ideas, or indicate shifts in topic. For example, similarly, in this way, furthermore, therefore, anyways, you know, firstly, on the other hand, etc. Lastly comes the conclusion. Here we summarize and conclude the idea using words or phrases that indicates that we are summing up. Example, in conclusion, to summarize, all in all, in summary. We may also add any similar proverbs or quotes related to the idea. For example, birds of a feather flock together. The similar proverb could be, a man is known by the company he keeps. It is important to note that we should not introduce any new topic or point in the conclusion. Some of the things that could be avoided while writing expansion of ideas are: number one, avoid using the phrase the given proverb means that. Number two, avoid complex sentences. And number three, avoid writing in first and second person. Write in third person. Please note, write the expansion based on the word limit provided to you. In case the word limit is 100 to 150 words, you may write in one paragraph. If more, it is better to separate it into three paragraphs: introduction, body, and conclusion. Now, let's look into an example to understand what we have learned till now. Expand the idea Half knowledge is dangerous in 300 to 400 words. Let's write the title at the center. Half knowledge is dangerous. Now, let's write the main content in this way. It is often said that to experience growth in life, we need to continuously expand our knowledge. However, if we start learning something and then stop midway, our knowledge remains limited in that particular activity. This limited understanding can become dangerous when we mistakenly believe ourselves to be the master of that field. Many times, we begin learning a new activity fueled by motivation. We diligently pursue it for a few days but eventually abandon it, convinced that we have gained enough knowledge. Take for instance a person who has never learned to swim but decides to take swimming lessons. After regular practice, they become capable of swimming in shallow waters. At this point, they might assume that they know how to swim proficiently and stop further learning. Now, if the same person ventures into deep waters without any guidance, what will happen? The lack of comprehensive knowledge may lead to drowning as they are ill prepared for the challenges. In summary, sometimes in life we begin learning things but stop too soon, believing we know enough. This can be dangerous and result in negative consequences. So, it's important to fully understand before applying knowledge to make better decisions and avoid problems. Please pause the video and reread it. We have tried to apply all the knowledge that we have learned till now to write an expansion of idea. Now that you have learned this art of learning the expansion of idea, let's look into an exercise for the same. Expand the idea. Actions speak louder than words in 300 to 400 words. Pause the video, solve the expansion and message me your answers in the comment. I will be waiting for your reply. I hope you would have given the answers. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. First, we understood what the expansion of idea is. It is the process of elaborating and expanding or explaining a given idea in more detail. The idea could be a proverb, quote, idiom or slogan. Expansion of ideas helps us in number 1, enhancing our communication, number 2, critical thinking, and number 3, expressing creativity. Then we learned the format of expansion of an idea. It is divided into 2 parts. Number 1, title, and number 2, main content. The main content is subdivided into 3 parts. Number 1, introduction, number 2, body, and number 3, conclusion. We looked into an example of expansion of idea, half knowledge is dangerous. And I gave you an exercise, actions speak louder than words, whose answers you will be giving me in the comment. That's all in this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe in case you found the video helpful. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.